Marshall. Let's see.
I grew up in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and we were like, oh yeah, Ann Arbor, that's like really bad, except it's like Cranford County. I thought
This is so cool, Holden.
That would be adorable.
How's it going? Face painting. What's up, buddy? How are you? It's a pretty dress.
Is that Holden in that seat?
That's Holden. He's gonna be Marshall.
Marshall?
Yeah. He's trying so hard to keep his eyes closed. Smiling at the sun. Let's go for Marshall.
Oh my gosh. You want to say hi, Iris?
No, it's okay. It's not over.
Here, let me put something behind you
But
so
you
that
can
your head sits on it.
before you can get you a cupcake.
Yeah, let's do those.
Yeah, I'll put That's a good thing. You know what? We should talk to your mommy. Okay. I'm all for that. You just have to talk to your mom and dad.
Okay, can you talk to my mom?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. Why don't you bring it up as an idea, though, okay?
And Becca, I have been bringing it up to my mom.
Okay, you're gonna bring it. Oh, you have been talking to her about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you just ask her if we can do it?
Okay. Yeah, we'll have to put something on the calendar, okay?
Okay.
That sound good?
Can you
I love
watch
your
it
paint.
now?
You want to do it now? Okay.
Thanks. Isn't it cool? I was gonna get her face painted like a cat.
Thanks.
Thanks. Isn't this a really cool face painting?
Awesome.
Butterflies.
I know, I can tell. How many Marshalls have you done?
Marshall's kind of new for me to be offering, so I've only done probably like 20. But since I've been doing it, it's been very, very popular.
Abby, look.
Oh my gosh, no way. Whoa. That's got to be the most beautiful thing. Oh, it's beautiful.
I gave it to her.
You did? Oh my gosh, honey. It's gorgeous.
Can I get the other half of my face painted? Because I ate. Who is it? It's me and Marshall. You Marshall. His brother wants me Chase. No. He might not want to do it.
Who knows? Marshall, you look cool.